To set the limits on the Tiltmaster, you first push the program button until the up arrow indicates. Hold that in until you reach your open door position. To memorize it, press program again and then push down to set your down position. Then press program again to remember, and then to test the force you then press the button again. And then it switches to the down. And that's your limit set. To program a hand set in, you take the remote and you press the button you wish to use and hold the yellow program button in until the light comes on, and then to test, and then your door is set up for operation.